I want to check the 360-degree slew ring on this digger. This is the hydraulic drive motor. It has a gear wheel on the bottom of it, and that engages with the slew ring gear. So to get at the slew ring, I think if I remove this motor, which is bolted to the base there, lift that out, I should see the slew ring. To get at these bolts on this bottom flange, I've had to move that pipe, this hydraulic pipe here. That hydraulic pipe was over the top of that bolt, so I managed to just slacken that nut. And while the nut was slack, I was able to push that pipe, push it back that way about 20 mil. Now I can just get at the bolt head. So I haven't had any need to take that pipe off. I've just slackened it and retightened it. I've got to take these three pipes off, attached to the motor. I've taken this one off. I've got the ends blanked, brass plug in the pipe, and a plastic cup screwed onto the connection there. And now I'm going to take these two pipes off, blank those off, and then unscrew the motor at the base there. I've got these three pipes disconnected and plugged. I was surprised that no oil came out at all when I disconnected them. Nothing at all came out of these two, and only a couple of drops came out of that one. And now I need to undo the 4 bolts on the bottom flange there. And then lift the motor out. That's the drive motor out. That's the gear on the bottom. And there's the slew ring gear. This will turn by hand now. So now I'm able to turn that all the way around and clean the teeth on that slew ring. I'll be able to clean all this all the way around, clean all these teeth out. And then grease it, put it back together. Got all those gear teeth cleaned all the way around, and this plate. You just see a rubber seal here, so that's probably the seal for the slew bearing. So the slew bearing is underneath here. I've also cleaned the underside of this plate. That was all gummed up with mud. I've cleaned that all the way around. These are the pipe connections for the drive motors on the back. And also for the hydraulic ram on the dozer blade. So if ever I need to get at those, the best way of doing that is to take this motor off. That gives me access. And then there's more pipes on the other side. You can swing this all the way around to get to them. So this is like a swivel seal here. That's the gear on the hydraulic motor cleaned up. There's a little bit of wear on the teeth, not much. That looks like the main bearing, seal bearing. So I'll get it all greased up and put back together. Got all those gear teeth greased, screwing the motor back into place. That's the grease I used on the gear teeth. That grease is made for exposed gear teeth. And on the slew bearing I've used JCB blue grease. There's a grease nipple under there that does the slew bearing. So now I need to just finish bolting this back into place and then connect the pipes back on. Right, that's the motor back in place and all the pipes connected. I've also repositioned this pipe. It has to be lined up there so that it doesn't vibrate against some other pipes close by. So that should be okay. Now I need to clip this wiring loom back into place. It comes down over the top here. That's that job finished. And I'll start it up and see how it goes.